Part of the struggle with pushing that snowblower, I'll show you why. This is heavy. That's a load for me. That is really heavy right there. So I have to take it in 2 passes. It's really heavy snow. I want to break through to another top. Oh, I also have to widen it for the wheelbarrow. I'm gonna see if the snowblower will run right there. I don't know. This is tight and it's dirty and rough out here. Tall, tall grass. I have to take 2 passes. It's going. It's actually going. You have to work it, but it's going. I mean, it's hard because, well, let me show you. See, I'm actually ripping small shrubs with it. I'm actually mowing down shrubs. I mean, this is not meant to be, this is not a proper lawn meant to be maintained. But the machine's doing it, and it's, I'll tell you, a lot easier than shoveling by hand. You can see it's buried in there. And you can see the junk it's throwing up. I think you can see all that. It's working. I don't want to really take it through much of this rough here. I think I'm going to go 1 high pass and then do the rest with a shovel. All the way out to my, you can't even see it. It's buried deep. I've got a pile of rounds here. And on the other side of that is a long, probably about 2, maybe even 3 face cord of limbwood. It's gonna be great for burning. Okay, I'm out of breath. That's what I meant. I didn't show it, but I got the thing to cruise over the top, and now I just have to finish with the shovel. But it took half the load off for me. It's just the bottom half. I hit all these plants, and that's rough on the machine. I really want to keep it around longer. Oh, that's really heavy. Oh. Oh boy. All right, well, I gotta get that pile out. Now you can see the pile I'm working on right there. Sort of. All that from here, it goes in behind here, all the way out to there. I don't know really how well it shows on the camera. Well, that's enough digging for now. I've exposed the rounds, some of them, and I've exposed some of the limbwood. This goes all the way back to here, up even in behind, and all the way along, way out, somewhere into here. And that'll be good burning, but that's too much snow right now for me to deal with. I'll have to wait for that to melt off. But there it is. It'll be exposed after the melt. And it's nice, decent size. It's perfect wood stove sizes. So that'll be good wood for me. This will be the pile I burned before that. I've got a lot of wood. I just didn't know my truck wouldn't get out here is all. I thought I was gonna haul that wood out of here. And then this, I got about I don't know, a face and a half to 2 face on these 2 pallets here. And then I still got a large amount of wood up in here to process. It's hard to really see, and there's probably some, yeah, there is some under the camera tripod. There's probably wood all up in here yet to get out, so pretty decent amount. And then that pile will be the last, and then that out there will probably be after that. I think we have enough to get through. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go in and take a break and put my gear away and come back out with a wheelbarrow. As he does every single, look at him looking, he doesn't see me yet. Look at him looking. Look at him looking inside our property. Every single time. Every single time. Every time I work, he comes to spy. Hey guys, well, I'm back with the wheelbarrow. And pieces that are easier to split I'll put in here, and that are not too heavy. Anything awkward's going on the pile. It's awkward. Tell you what's awkward. Press this in firewood, covered in snow. It's a whole lot more work. I don't want to put that in my wood pile to burn. I also don't want it laying around on the wood. It'll make it wetter, which is not beneficial. Oh, this one feels good. See this one? This one's a lot drier. It's darker too. It must have been facing around the sun or something. So I'll get a load here, and then we'll be back in a bit. Here's a big one. I'm not dealing with today. And the problem is they're so covered in snow. So every single piece of wood I have to chisel out. Now remember, I didn't intend to leave the wood here, but I got my shoulders injured from doing firewood. And so here it sits. That was not planned. Yeah, that one's down. Every piece of wood requires work to clear off. If I hadn't been hurt, here we go. Here's a good one. If I hadn't been hurt, all this was supposed to be on pallets and would have been beautiful right now. This was a better example of not too much snow. But that snow sticks to the wood really good. It takes time to clear off. Dark and foggy. It's been like this all day. Well, I got 3 loads of wood in with the wheelbarrow to split. I got the splitter warming up. I'm gonna get that processed, and that's 3 days of wood for the homestead. Well, that pile's done. 3 days of heat. That'll get us through the rainy period that's coming. Somehow it always looks like more once it's split. Well, I'm going to take this in and stack it. That's it for today. Please like this video. Soot in my hands. Subscribe if you haven't. Talk to you later.